Replacing a cordless drill chuck is a simple process, but it can vary slightly depending on the model. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the chuck completely. Rotate the chuck counterclockwise to open it as wide as possible. This way, you'll be able to see the safety screw inside. Identify and remove the safety screw, if it exists. Inside the chuck, at its base, there's a securing screw that holds it on the spindle. This screw has a reverse thread, so it unscrews clockwise. Use a Phillips screwdriver or another drill driver, unscrew and completely remove the screw. Now, you can remove the old chuck. Insert an Allen wrench into the chuck and tighten it firmly. Keep the drill driver well secured, for example, in a vise, or hold it firmly. Hit the Allen wrench with a small hammer in a counterclockwise direction. This will loosen the chuck, which will unscrew from the drill driver's spindle. If the old chuck is stuck and won't unscrew, you can apply a bit of WD-40 lubricant on the thread and wait a few minutes before trying again. Make sure the new chuck is compatible with your drill driver, the thread size, and the fitting type. The new chuck has an opening from 2 to 13 mm and a 1/20 fitting, which is 20 UNF. You can find this product below in the description. Check if the spindle's thread and the new chuck are clean and free of debris. Screw the new chuck onto the spindle, rotating it clockwise. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Reattach the safety screw, tightening it in a counterclockwise direction, as it has a reverse thread. Now, test the assembly. Turn on the cordless drill and check if the chuck rotates correctly and is securely fastened. Insert a drill bit to check its grip and alignment. Thank you for watching, and do not forget, like and subscribe.